Now, the questions are, what happens after the post-study work visa? How can you stay in the UK after the post-study work visa? Can a student apply, especially an international student, apply for British citizenship? Does the 2 years post-study work visa count towards your long-term residence here in the UK? These and many more are the questions I often get from the international students working at my workplace. Recently, 2 of them, because they do 20 hours a week, they were really concerned about what happens at the expiration or towards the end of their post-study work visa. Would they be able to renew their visa, or would that 2 years they have stayed under the post-study work visa be counted, be included in the number of the years they have spent here in the UK in case they apply for what is called the residency permit? For instance, they get a job and started working for another 3 years. With the 2 years post-study work visa, the duration they have stayed, be included so that it will be 5 years in case they apply for the residency permit here in the UK. All right, so before we proceed, my name is Chinyere Ojike and I am a mom vlogger here in the UK. I make videos about UK tips. I answer general questions, just like the ones I'm about to respond to now. And I make videos about lifestyle. I vlog about my lifestyle, travel vlogs, and all that. So please, if today is your first time stopping here, subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn the notification bell on so that you keep getting notification each time I upload a video. And check out my other videos. You might find something very interesting to you. Yes. All right. So let's go on with this video. All right, so frankly speaking, I wouldn't be 100% certain that many a graduate has been able to get this post-study work visa, for the fact that this post-study work visa has just taken effect from July 21st, 2021, and this is, 2022, and is less than 1 year, and most of the master's program in this country run across 2 years. Unless you are, even if you are doing a program that is 1 year program, 1 year MSc program, we are not even in June, talk more of July, so it's less than 1 year. Yeah. Meanwhile, the first question is, what happens after the post-study work visa? Yes, according to gov.uk, international students should be able to switch onto the skilled workers visa if they find a job that meets the skill requirements. What does that imply? Because there is a certain specification for you to meet before ever you can get the skilled workers visa, and the major one is you being able to get a skilled job, a job that should be able to offer you a total sum of £25,600 in a year. It's not just any job, but a professional job. Even if it is not, presently the healthcare assistant jobs are now included into the UK occupation list. So they now get skilled workers visa to do healthcare assistant jobs here in the UK. On getting a job as a healthcare assistant in the UK, you definitely will be issued a 5 years visa. And this very visa allows you the opportunity to stay, live and work in the UK. At the end of the 5 years, you can as well apply for permanent residence, or you can keep extending your visa to stay, your contract to stay here in the UK. Now, does the post-study work visa count towards the long residence? Does it count towards you remaining in the UK or settling in the UK? Apologies. The post-study work visa does not count. It does not lead to settlement in the UK. But then those who wish to remain, or if you wish to apply for an indefinite leave to remain, that means you have to work very hard to switch into the immigration routes that will lead to settlement in the UK. What immigration routes? The routes such as skilled workers visa, becoming a business person here in the UK, becoming an innovator, an investor, or the startup visa route. This will enable you apply for your residency permit here in the UK. But then the 2 years you have already stayed under the post-study work visa, does it count in the number of years you have stayed in the UK? Sorry to say, this does not count. This is why you must plan ahead of time. If you are here with your spouse as your dependents, one of you can start applying for a skilled job, a job that will enable your spouse get a 5 years, visa sponsorship. Possibly the healthcare assistant job could be easier. Hence, it has been categorized under the skilled work, under the occupation shortage list, as a skilled job. Your spouse can get this healthcare assistant job. And I can tell you what, it is very easy when your spouse is applying for this sponsorship job while in the UK than outside of the UK. He or she stands a better chances of getting this job sooner or faster compared to somebody who is outside of the UK. So this is a kind of trick that you guys should apply if you are here with your spouse, or with your partner. But if you are single, studying master's, a degree, like I previously mentioned, towards the end of your program or towards the second year of your post-study duration, post-study work visa duration, you start applying for skilled job. Luck might shine on you. You get a sponsored job, a job that will offer you that 5 years sponsorship here in the UK. I think it is better for you. So it's a great trick for you to apply while enjoying your 2 years post-study work visa, or while you are here with your spouse. Either of you can take the other legit means of getting a job, getting a skilled job here in the Now, the next question, can you apply for a British citizenship as an international student? Well, the answer to this is simply no. There is no specific, law regulations that make you eligible to apply for or to seek for British citizenship as an international student. However, you can get a British citizenship as an international student should you, have a child with a person who has British passport, or should you marry a British national. But then it has to be during a specific number of years. If you have stayed there for like 2-3 years, that's when the citizenship can be given to you. And then you should be able to switch from your student visa to a different one. Yep, this is the only situation whereby you can seek or you can get British citizenship. But being an international student does not allow you to seek for this citizenship in the UK. How long do you have to stay in the UK to apply for British citizenship? You can apply for British citizenship by naturalization here in the UK after you have lived and worked here for a period of 5 years, not as a student, but as a skilled worker, as an investor, innovator, or as a business owner. Meanwhile, this startup route of applying for citizenship in the UK is currently on hold for the reason I cannot explain. Yeah, they stop people from applying, especially investors, business owners. They stop them from applying for British citizenship for reasons best known to them. So another question that I got asked is this: can I apply, or can you apply for the post-study work visa twice? Well, according to the response or the feedback I got from the gov.uk, it says that no, students are eligible to apply for the post-study work visa once in their lifetime. So this is basically why you should work hard, endeavor to keep it clean, do not breach the law, do not exceed working more than 20 hours, because this is another thing that makes students get denied of this post-study work visa when they apply for it. Because right now, you are working more than 20 hours, believing that nothing is going to happen. But, sorry, I am not wishing you that. But these people, they are watching. They are watching. It is only when you need something from them that they're going to open the person's chapter. So be careful what you are doing. Yep. And if by the time you apply for the post-study work visa, you didn't get it and you still wish to remain in this country, you apply for another study. But then that's a lot of money. So then think twice and act rightly so that you wouldn't be disappointed when you apply for the post-study work visa. Meanwhile, I hope you find this video interesting. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't and keep coming back for more. Bye for now and see you in my next upload.